Hello everyone, Tajia How. I am very happy to welcome you. Welcome to the SolidCAM APAC 2026 here in Wuxi. Our mission is clear, empowering manufacturing innovation across all of Asia Pacific. I truly wish I could be with you in person today. Unfortunately, because of the current situation in our region and the disruption of international flights, I was unable to travel to China. But I am very pleased to join you through this message and to greet all our SolidCAM colleagues, resellers, partners and customers all across the Asia Pacific region. Today, we are celebrating an important milestone, the opening of the SolidCAM China Technology Center here in Wuxi. This center represents a major investment in the future of SolidCAM in China and across Asia Pacific. I am especially pleased that this center includes advanced CNC machines from two outstanding partners, Tornos and Brother. I would like to thank our partners, Tornos and Brother, for their strong collaboration and for supporting the establishment of this new technology center here in Wuxi. With these machines installed in our Wuxi facility, our team will be able to demonstrate real machining applications, develop advanced post-processors, train programmers and engineers, and obviously support customers locally. This center will become a hub of innovation, training and application development for SolidCAM in Asia Pacific. For more than 3 decades, SolidCAM has been dedicated to helping manufacturers achieve higher productivity and better machining performance. For more than 3 decades, SolidCAM has helped manufacturers improve productivity on their CNC machines. And today, we are building the next generation of manufacturing technology with AI, digital connectivity, and intelligent automation. Today, our software is used by tens of thousands of manufacturers worldwide. One of our most important technology is obviously iMachining and its patented technology result, which has transformed the way CNC milling is performed. By automatically optimizing tool paths, feeds, speeds, and tool engagement, iMachining allows companies to dramatically reduce machining time while extending tool life. SolidCAM is also one of the leading CAM solutions for advanced mill turn and Swiss-type machining, which are extremely important technologies for manufacturers across Asia Pacific. SolidCAM works today closely with many of the world's leading CNC machine manufacturers, including Tornos, Brother, Citizen, Star, Tsugami, DMG Mori, and others, ensuring that our software fully unlocks the capability of the most advanced machining technologies. Another exciting development is the integration of artificial intelligence into CAM programming. With CAM Assist of CloudNC for SolidCAM, developed by our partner CloudNC, programmers can automatically receive machining strategies and toolpath suggestions directly from the 3D model. Also, our SolidCAM AI Assistant chatbot provides 24/7 concise technical answers about any subject in SolidCAM and in any language. Looking forward, our vision includes also the SolidCAM Copilot, an intelligent assistant that will help programmers and manufacturing engineers optimize machining processes. At the same time, we have expanded beyond CAM with our SolidShop digital manufacturing ecosystem, which we have launched already. SolidShop connects CAM programming, G-code machine simulation, shop floor data PDM, DNC, CNC monitoring, and manufacturing analytics. Together, SolidCAM, SolidShop, and AI will create a powerful AI-assisted platform for the future of digital manufacturing. Asia Pacific is one of the most dynamic manufacturing regions in the world. China in particular continues to lead global innovation in advanced manufacturing. China is one of the most important manufacturing markets in the world, and SolidCAM is committed to building a strong, long-term presence here, supporting Chinese manufacturers, partners, and innovation for many years to come. With our new Wuxi Technology Center, a strong local team, and excellent resellers and partners, we are building a powerful foundation for continued growth across China and throughout APAC. Before I finish, I want to say something very important. The success of SolidCAM in Asia Pacific is not driven only by headquarters. It is driven by you, our local teams, our resellers, our partners, and our customers. Because of your dedication and professionalism, SolidCAM continues to grow and strengthen its position in this very important region. With the opening of our new Wuxi Technology Center, we are sending a clear message. SolidCAM is strongly committed to China and to the future of manufacturing across all of Asia Pacific. I wish you all a very successful SolidCAM APAC 2026 event. Enjoy the presentation, the technical sessions, and the opening of our new Wuxi Technology Center. I look forward to visiting our new Wuxi Technology Center very soon. Xie xie Tajia. Thank you, everyone.